Sri Nansagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. Student, today we discuss the mathematics part first of 10th standard SSC board. Now the first chapter is the linear equations in two variables which having 12 marks. This is very important chapter and so simple also. Already you are too familiar with the chapters. In earlier standard, you have to discuss some topics about it. I mean that what is meant by linear equations. In linear equation, the general form of the linear equation is ax plus b is equals to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. Mean that in this equation, the degree of the variable is 1. And in linear equations in two variables, student, there are two variables containing the degree is 1. So it is called as linear equations in two variables. Now in this chapter we have to discuss some important points. Now the points are, mean that let's study in this chapter. First one is methods of solving linear equations in two variables. There are how many methods we have to solve it? For example, that equating coefficient, substitution, elimination. These methods we have to discuss in these topics. Then graphical method. This is so important and simple also. All of you are familiar with this graphical method also. One question can ask your examination for 4 marks. This is the graph. Then Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. This is also so simple method. We have to study about it also. Then equations that can be transferred in a linear equations into variables. म्हणजेच काही इक्वेशन्स असतील की ते आपल्याला दोन व्हेरिएबल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे असतील. म्हणजे काही गोष्टी आपल्याला मानून अशा टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचे असतात. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट वन इज ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन्स. म्हणजे या सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन्स म्हणजे आतापर्यंत आपण जे काही मेथड्स बघितले असतील त्याचा यूज करून आपल्याला याचे ऍप्लिकेशन्स बघायचे. म्हणजे यामध्ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम पण असतात. त्या वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये हे सर्वांचं काय करायचं ऍप्लिकेशन करायचं. देन वी हॅव टू लेट्स रिकॉल. म्हणजे यापर्यंत आतापर्यंत तुम्ही काय काय बघितले त्याबद्दल आपण थोडक्यात माहिती घेऊया. बघा पहिल्यांदा आपण बघितलं होतं लिनियर इक्वेशन्स इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स? I have to tell you that if two equations having two variables with degree is 1, then it is called as the linear equations in two variables. Now the general form of that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Student, here a, b, c are real numbers such as a is not equals to 0, b is also not equals to 0, c is the constant term. So you take any values. Mean that for example, if you take the examples, any example, 3x plus 4y plus 15 is equals to 0. Then 3 upon 2x plus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0. Like such type of examples are called as the linear equations in two variables, because in these equations this degree of that variable is 1. Mean that here is also degree of the variable is 1 and a, b, c are the constant term. Here is this a and b is not equals to 0 and c is the constant term. A and b are the real numbers such that a is not equals to 0. It is called as linear equations in two variables. Can you understand this linear equation? Then we take the what is meant by the simultaneous equations. Simultaneous means that if you have to take two linear equations, we have to think about it simultaneously, then it is called as linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations means that we have to take two equations. For example, when we solve this equation, suppose that anyone 5x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0 and another one is suppose 10x plus 3y minus 7 is is equals to 0. Then if you have to take these two equations which having degree is also 1 and you have to solve it, then it is called as simultaneous linear equations. Can you understand up to this? Students, today we have to start the first practice set of the chapter, linear equations in two variables. Okay, we take the practice set. Okay, the first practice set 1.1. The first question is that complete the following activity of the activity to solve the simultaneous equation. Now this is the activity based question, can be asked in your examination for 2 or 3 marks. Now so simple one, look at this. First equation is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is equation number first. Then second one is 2x minus 3y is equals to 12 is second equation. Student, in your book here is plus sign, but actually there is minus sign. Then let's add equation first and second. Now when we are adding these two equations, look at these two equations. This plus 3 and minus 3 both are different sign, so that they get cancelled. So we have to adding this equation. If two simultaneous equations have the different sign, then you have to adding it, and if the same sign, then you have to subtracting it. So that when we take its addition, this 3y get cancelled. So that our answer in the box is 5 plus 2 becomes how much? 7. Here is x. Then 12 plus 9 becomes 21. Then student, this 7 is in multiplication form, so goes to denominator. So first write this 21 in this box as it is. Then this 7 goes to denominator. Then we simplify by 7 to this 21. We get that 7 under 7. 7 3s are, mean that the value of x is 3. Now student, we substitute this value in any equation, but in this place x is equals to 3 in equation number first. The equation first is this 5x. We have to place the value of x is 3, so I have to write here is 3. Then plus 3y is equals to 9. This is equation number first. Then 5 3s are 15. Now the next step is directly take here this 15 transpose to this another side. This is plus 15. When we transpose it, it convert as minus. Then what is the subtraction between these two? Now this 15 is the bigger number having minus sign. So take its subtraction, use the sign of the bigger number. So that the subtraction of this is minus 6. Then 3y is equals to minus 6. These 3 again goes to denominator here, mean that in this box here is minus 6. We can simplify by using this 3. 3 2s are 6, so that the answer is minus 2. Now student, always you have to write the answer in full sentence. Therefore the solution of that simultaneous equation is x comma y. First always write the x variable and then y variable. The value of x is 3, so that in first box there is 3, and the value of y is minus 2, means that in this minus 2, so that we have to complete the first activity. Can you understand this? Okay, then take. Okay, question number second. Solve the simultaneous equations, mean that you have to find out the value of the variables. Now the first question is that 3a plus 5b is equals to 26 and a plus 5b is equals to 20. Means that student, when we observe here, the variables are a and b, which having the degree is also 1, so it is called as, and there is two equations, so this is called as simultaneous equation. Now how to solve it? First I have to write the equations and give the equation numbers. Means that first one is 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. Suppose that this is equation number first. Then second one is a plus 5b is equals to 22. This is equation number second. Now student, when you observe these two equations, then the second variable b having the coefficients are same, means that they having equal coefficient. So if I have tell you that if there is same signs, then we have to subtract the equations, and if there is different sign, then you have to add in the equation. So that we subtract these two equations, we get the value of one variable. Again we have to substitute this in one equation, we get the second one. So simple one. So first I have to write here subtract or subtracting equation second from equation first. Now, so I have to again write these equations. 3a plus 5b is equals to 26, equation number first. Second one is a plus 5b is equals to 22. This is equation number second. Now when we subtract, mean that give the sign here minus. When we have to take the minus sign, then the signs of second equations we are changing. So that this plus convert as minus, this plus is also convert as minus, and this plus 22 is also convert as minus. Then student, look carefully, plus and this minus 5b get cancelled. Then what is remaining? From this 3a we have to subtract a, we get the value is twice a. Then what is the subtraction of this? 26 minus 22 is equals to how much? 4. Then we have to divide this 2 to this 4, mean that a is equals to 4 upon 2. When we divide it, therefore the value of a is equals to 2. Then substituting a is equals to 2 in any equation as you like. So take in equation first. The equation first is that 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. Now I have substituted the value of a is equals to 2 here. Therefore 3 into 2 plus 5b is equals to how much? 26. 3 2s are 6 plus 5b is equals to 26. Now transfer this 6 to this another side. We get that 5b is equals to 26 minus 6. What is the subtraction? Now 5b is equals to 20. Then again b is equals to 20. This 5 goes to denominator. Then simplify, b is equals to 5 4s are 20. Therefore the answer in full sentence. Therefore the solution is the variables are here a and b. So I have to take in bracket a and b is equals to. Now first you have to write the value of a. What is the value of a? A is 2. So the answer is 2. Comma value of b is 4. So that the answer is, solution of this equation is 2 and 4. Can you understand the first equation? So simple. Okay. Okay, question number second. The equations are x plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. The solution of this equation is, now first I have taken the equation numbers here. First one is x plus 7y is equals to 10. Suppose that this is equation number first. And second one is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Equation number second. For solving these two simultaneous equations, now we have to observe carefully. Look carefully the coefficients of x and y values. Now in this, the coefficient of x is 1 and here is 3. Here is y is 7 and here is minus 2. Now for solving this, if you have to multiply only the first equation by 3 and cancelling this 3x, we get the value of y. Or if you want to cancel the value of variables of y, then you have to multiply this 2 to this first equation and this 7 to this second equation. But simple process is that you have to multiply the first equation because you have to multiply only one number. So take here the sentence such that multiplying equation first by 3 we get. When we multiply by 3, we get that 3x plus 3 7 the 21y is equals to 30. This is equation number 3. Then we solve equation second and third. When you observe here, if you have to subtract these two equations, because 3x having plus sign, same sign, so we have to subtract it. These two equations, we get the value of one variable. So I have to take here subtract equation second and third. Or you have to write the statement such a way that subtract equation third from the equation second. We get. I have to take the equations again here. 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is equation number second. And third one is 3x plus 21y is equals to 30. This is equation number 3. Then we have to subtract it so that the signs of the second equations will changes. Means that this is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Now when the signs are changed, then by using this sign we have to subtract it. Now then plus 3x and minus 3x get cancelled. Then what is the subtraction of this minus 21y and minus 2? Now observe carefully, both having minus sign, so we have to add in these two so that this subtraction is minus 23y. Then is equals to, what is the subtraction of minus 30 and plus 7? Gives the sign here minus, so that minus, because this is the bigger number, so here is minus 23. Student, then this minus minus convert as plus, so that this 23y is equals to 23. Then again this 23 goes to denominator, so I will write here, therefore y is equals to 23 upon 23. Then these 23 again get cancelled, so that the value of y is equals to how much? 1. You have to substitute this value in any equation, so that substituting y is equals to 1 in any one equation, I have to substitute it in a equation number first. Then the equation first is that x plus 7y is equals to 10. This is equation number first. Value of y is 1, so substituting it we get that x plus 7 into 1 is equals to 10. 7 1 is 7, therefore x is equals to 10 minus 7. Transfer this plus 7 to this another side, convert as minus. What is the subtraction? Is 3. Therefore, the solution of this equation is, now first, which are the variables for this example? There is x and y. Always take the first x variable and then another one is y variable. The solution is, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is how much? 1. So that the solution of this second question is 3 and 1. This is our second question. Okay, then take next question, question number 3. The solution of that equation. Now first, the equation of this is 2x minus 3y is equals to 9. Suppose that this is equation number first. And the second one is 2x plus y is equals to 13. This is equation number second. Student, when we observe these two equations, the variable of x having coefficient is 2, means that they are equal. We can cancel this, so that we directly subtract equation first and second. Or you also write subtract equation first from the equation number second also. At that time you have to write the equation number second first and then you have to subtract it. Or directly you have to take as it is also. So I have to take here as it is, means that subtracting equation first and second. So I have to take direct as it is equations, means that 2x minus 3y is equals to 9, equation number first. Then second, 2x plus y is equals to 13, equation number second. Now student, when we subtract, the signs of second equations were changes, means that plus convert as minus, this plus convert as minus, this plus is also convert as minus. Student, when we take its subtraction, then these 2x and these 2x get cancelled because this is plus and this and convert sign as minus. Then subtraction of minus 3 and minus y. Now look carefully, minus 3 and minus y becomes minus 4y. इथे फार महत्त्वाचं, साईनमध्ये गोंधळ जर झाला तर आपल्याला इथे आन्सर आपलं चुकू शकतं. त्यामुळे मायनस मायनस आहे, त्याची सबट्रॅक्शन करताना दोघांचे ॲडिशन होणार आहे आणि मायनस आहे. देन इज इक्वल्स टू, when we subtract this 9 from this 13, because this is minus 13 and this is plus 9, when we subtract it we get that minus 4, because here is bigger number is 13 which having sign is minus. Then this minus minus converted as plus, so I have to write here one step, 4y is equals to 4. Then this 4 goes to denominator, therefore y is equals to 4 upon 4. Now the simplification is 1. You have to substitute this value in any one equation, so that substitute y is equals to 1 in equation first. कोणत्या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण टाकू शकतो, जे तुम्हाला सिंपल वाटेल त्यात टाका. हे जर सिंपल वाटत असेल तुम्ही इथे पण टाकू शकता. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज 2x minus 3y is equals to 9. This equation number first. When we substitute the value of y is 1, at that time we get 2x minus 3 into 1 is equals to 9. Then minus 3 manja minus 3, transpose directly to this side. I have to write 9. This minus 3 convert as plus 3. Now then this 2x is equals to addition of this 9 plus 3 becomes how much? 12. Then this 2 is in multiplication form, goes to denominator, therefore x is equals to 12 upon 2. Then what is the simplification? 2 6, therefore x is equals to 6. Now the answer in full sentence is solution is. Now here which variables are given here? X and y. So always take first x variable, then y. Having the value of x is 6 and the value of y is 1, so that the solution of the given example number 3 is 6 and 1. Can you understand, student? Okay, we take next question. Okay, the next question, question number 4, 5m minus 3n is equals to 19. Second one is m minus 6n is equals to minus. Now student, the solution of this equation is, now the first equation is 5m minus 3n is equals to 19. Suppose that this is equation number first. Second one is m minus 6n is equals to minus 7, equation number 7. Observe this equation first and second. What is your observation? The coefficient of m is 5, here is 1. If we take common this, then multiply equation second by 5, we get the coefficient is 5 and you have to subtract it. Otherwise, you have to multiply the equation first by 2, we get that 3 2s are 6. Any one of these we have to take the operations on the equation number first and second. Now then I have to multiply equation second by 5, we get that. Therefore here multiply equation second by 5, we get. Now directly I have to multiply it, 5m minus 5 6 are 30n is equals to 7 5 are 35. This is equation number. Then we subtract equation first and third. Therefore I have to write here subtracting equation first and third. Or you have to also write the statement subtracting equation third from first. Okay, anyone you have to write this statement. I have to take directly as it is, 5m minus 3n is equals to 19. This is equation number first. And third one is 5m minus 30n is equals to minus 35 is equation number second. Student, when we subtract this equation, we get that the signs of the equations were changes. The second equation convert as plus, convert as minus, this minus convert as plus, then this plus convert as minus. Sorry, this minus convert as plus. Now when we observe this 5m get cancelled. Then student, one number is minus, one number is plus, means that you have to subtract it and give the sign of the bigger. So that the subtraction becomes how much? 27n, which having sign is plus because this 30 convert as plus. So plus 27n is equals to. Now the addition, because here is plus 35 and plus 90. Addition of these two is, now look careful, 35 plus 19 is equals to 54. Okay, then this 27 goes to denominator, and right here. Therefore, n is equals to 54 upon how much? 27. Then we can simplify it. 27 1 is 27, 27 2. Means that the value of n is equals to how much? 2. Then substitute this value in any one equation. So I have to write here substituting n is equals to 2 in equation first or second? First. Then the first equation is 5m minus 3n is equals to 90. We substitute the value of n is 2 here, mean that 5m minus 3 into 2 is equals to how much? 90. 3 2s are 6, so I have write here 5n minus 6 is equals to 90. Then observe carefully, this minus 6 transfers to this side, we get that 5m is equals to 19 plus 6, minus convert as plus. Addition of these two is 5m is equals to 25. Therefore, m is equals to 25 upon 5. We can simplify it. M is equals to 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So that the value of m is how much? 5. Then, answer in full sentence. The solution is. Now in this example, the variables are m and n. So first write the variable m and then n. Then the value of these two variables is m is 5. So take first m and n is 2. This is the solution of the question number 4 of the question 2. मित्रांनो, आजचे जे व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास जरूर सबस्क्राइब करा. Thank you very much.